So the first step to create a YouTube channel is to get a Gmail account. First, I go to youtube.com. Now, I go to sign in. So if you already have a Gmail account, you can type it in over here, or you can create an account by clicking My Personal Use. Put in your name over here. So over here, it'll ask for basic info, and yeah, type it in. Now get a Gmail address instead. You can either use one of these over here, or you can create your own Gmail address by typing in something like this. It has to be unique. If it's not unique, you won't be able to create. So you see, this is not unique. I need to take another one. So right now I'm just going to choose this and click next. Now now you need to do right, put a phone number over here, and that's how you create a Gmail account. So after you have verified your phone number, you have to click agree, and here you have successfully created a Gmail account. Now in the next step, I'll show you how to create a YouTube account using your Gmail account. So to create a YouTube account, you must click on the icon over here and go to YouTube Studio. Now you need a name and you need a handle. So your handle can be this, but it's already taken. So you can click one of these handles, and it needs to be having a check mark. Now, once you have done that, you can upload a picture. So I want to upload this picture, and I can click done. Now click tab and create a channel. And voila, you have created a channel.